What makes you want to date my daughter? If you get to take Lexi on a date, would you pay for it, or would you split the bill with her, or how would you work that? One, she snores quite loudly.
Let's just get that out of the way right now.
Do you get the door for her, or do you let her get her own door? Every once in a while, she'll wake up in the middle of the night and she just screams. After the date, are you gonna go in for the kiss, or what are your plans?
He said he doesn't think it would be appropriate to kiss on a first date, and I love that because I think the exact same way.
I get her coffee in the morning and I bring it to her. Is that something that you're willing to do? Yeah. Would you mind hanging out with Brent? Has to be Starbucks.
Can't wait to be part of the family.
I'm not really too sure how well it went. He said I might have to hang out with Brent, and I do not want to do that.
Wait, do you think she actually, like, screams at night?
Okay, we're down to 3 boys right now. Sean, Yahir, and Danny. Dad, please eliminate Danny.
I think it's pretty obvious who we're gonna send home today.
Yeah. Sorry, bud.
Wait, me?
Maybe next.
No, Danny, it's you.